In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your business location in Google Maps and then embed that location directly onto your website using WordPress. This is perfect if you want customers to easily find your business, improve your local visibility, and make your site look more professional. Whether you run a small local shop, a service business, or an office location, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything from start to finish. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to Google Maps. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account associated with your business if possible. In the search bar at the top, type in your business name. If your business doesn't show up yet, you can also search using your full address. Once your business location appears on the map, click on it so the information panel opens on the left side. Next, look for the share icon. This usually looks like a curved arrow or 3 connected dots depending on your screen. Click on Share and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you'll see different sharing options. Click on the tab that says Embed a Map. This is very important because this gives you the code needed to place the map on your website. After clicking Embed a Map, you'll see a preview of your location and some HTML code below it. Go ahead and click the blue text that says Copy HTML. This copies the embed code to your clipboard, so don't close this just yet until you're sure it's copied. Now that we have the embed code, the next step is to add it to your website. Open a new tab and log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you want your business location to appear. Most people add this to their contact page, but you can also use a home page or about page. When the page editor opens, click on the block inserter, which is the blue plus icon. In the search bar, type in Custom HTML. When you see the Custom HTML block, click on it to add it to your page. Inside the Custom HTML box, paste the Google Maps embed code that you copied earlier. After pasting the code, click on the Preview option within the block. This lets you check if the map is displaying correctly. You should now see your business location map right inside the page editor. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the blue Update button at the top right corner of the page to save your changes. If you're using the block editor and you don't immediately see the preview, you can switch to Edit HTML mode for the block and confirm that the code is properly placed. Once updated, visit your website as a normal visitor and scroll to the section where you added the map. You should now see an interactive Google map showing your exact business location. Customers can zoom in, get directions, and easily find you with just one click. This not only improves user experience, but also helps build trust with potential customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a business location in Google Maps and embed it on your WordPress website. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.